Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that how can you learn English language step by step because when we try to learn or improve English language then there are some kind of steps and if we work on those steps gradually we will improve ourselves in English learning. So please stay with me in this video, watch this video till end so that you never miss any point which I am going to discuss ahead in this video. Actually step by step means that first step, second step and fourth and in arrangement. When you will learn English language in arrangement step by step then it will be easy for you to get better command on this language. So if you are new, totally new, then I think first step is learning alphabetical words, letters are necessary. And if you already know the basics of English language, but you want to improve yourself, you know a little about English language, you can read, but you are not fully able to understand English language or to speak English language. For speaking, there are some steps. First step is that improve your listening power. If you already know a little English, then first step is that improve your listening skill. When you will develop your listening skill, then it is very necessary that in my previous videos I have given you the examples that small babies when they born, they just listen, they never speak, they just cry and listen whatever spoken around them, whatever is spoken around them, they listen, they imbibe the things. Gradually they try to speak out the words in broken way, but they try to speak. First they stammer, stuttering, and after that they try to speak the words, not the sentences. In first step they try to speak the words, and after some time they try to speak broken sentences, not in arrangement, in opposite arrangement, sometime in opposite arrangement, in stammering way, in stuttering way. And after 1 year they are able to speak sentences in proper way. Have you ever seen? Probably you have seen, because babies are in all houses, in all areas available, and you have seen those. So babies never read or write, they just listen. After listening they speak. So listening is very important. In first step, because you are improving English language, so in first step improve your listening power. Listen a lot. You can listen the podcast, English language videos on social media. You can listen on daily basis. And after listening, the second step is try to speak. Speak out. Whatever you listen, try to speak. Get some kind of guidance from your other friends or family members. Those are good in English language. They will guide you. Or from any teacher. If you can hire a teacher, you can get support of that teacher. Otherwise, if you are not able to hire a teacher, then the social media, if you have the access of internet, then you can search each and every query on social media, and there are a lot of replies uploaded there. You can get help from there. But if you don't know reading or writing, then there is a problem. You will have to hire a teacher that will guide you how to read or write. And when you feel that right now you can speak a little sentences in broken way, as I told you, like child, then the next step is that read some articles, in English language. In the beginning, you can read the stories because stories are easy to understand and there is interest. When you listen any kind of story, you keep your mind towards that story because you are interested to know about what is going on ahead. So try to read the stories. You can read stories from some kind of books. There are pages in English newspaper, children pages. You can read there because their simple English is written in stories. Where there you find any difficult word, you can search the meaning of that word from your dictionary, or from you can get help from social media. When you think that right now your reading skill is improving, then start writing some things. Whatever story you are reading, try to write down on a paper all those stories on daily basis. Set time to do the exercise on daily basis of these 4 things: listening, speaking, reading, writing. When you will do, now you will have to do the consistent work ahead on daily basis. For sometimes you will have to speak, for sometimes you will have to listen, for sometimes you will have to read, and for sometimes you will have to write. Set time, make a schedule, and that during this period you will do the blah thing, during this period you will do such thing. When you will do these exercises for 2 or 3 months or for more, then you will see improvement in yourself, that your English is improving day by day, and right now you are able to speak some sentences. But for speaking, something others are required, that is the confidence. If you are not confident, then you will feel hesitation while speaking. So you will have to get rid from that hesitation which you are feeling. Try to speak in friends, family members, so that you get rid of that fear which you are feeling, that other will judge me, perhaps I will not speak in proper way, because others are not judging you, they don't know English language. Only those people can judge you, those are good in English language. Try to speak with your juniors because there is no fear that they will judge you. And I think that don't keep in mind that perhaps you will speak some wrong English, then it's very bad. No, English is your second language. Keep in your mind that this is not your first language. If you make some errors or mistakes in your first language, then other will laugh at you. But English is second language. There are the chances that you will make mistakes in English conversation. Even the advanced level speakers make the mistakes. So don't worry about the mistake. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, I Altaf Malik. And if you are new on this channel, you have not yet subscribed to this channel, so please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Thank you. Bye bye.